Dow Jones, after consolidating for a while, has breached first support at 33,500, which was a very good support, and then 32,800 levels. These two levels I was not expecting it to break, but it did breach. Now I'll be looking forward to the next support at 32,500 and 400 levels, below which certainly you can expect that we are going to look forward to 31,000 levels in near future. Now, what to expect specifically next week, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon, which keeps you updated with the twice a day analysis and targets which I share for Dow Jones, first with the Asia session, next with the US session. Do watch both the analysis and definitely you can benefit. Now let's start. First we look into charts alone, followed with indicators, and towards the end I will give you the trading levels and strategy. Do watch till the end. Now if you look at the weekly charts, so far we were looking at higher lows, and yes, they were stronger supports. As you can see, last 3 weeks we have seen it getting the support from 32,500 levels and giving higher highs. Now this time, after consolidating for long, it has breached the lower support also at 32,800. Now also remember, this is the first breakout candle here after consolidation. There could be a follow up candle, and yes, if it breaks below this zone at 32,500, and specifically, yes, you can sell here at 32,600 itself, but then 32,500, if it breaks, it will call for little more bearishness. Then I will look forward to 32,000, and then here at this zone we might see it coming back to, that is 31,000 levels. Now you can see that this escalation on the weekly chart, this rise on the weekly charts with the gap there was quick, and hence there could be a little more tendency for US30 to achieve these levels now in near future. Still, it is not to be treated as bearish. I will tell you why. And when I say this, it means I do not consider that it is going to trade this bearish, possibly till the time it remains above these levels, that is 29,000, 28,000 levels. Certainly it can try to retrace a little down till 31,000, 30,000 levels, and then again try to rise. Now right now it appears this is the first breakout candle. Specifically for next week, we can see a follow-up candle. That is what we have concluded here. Now let's have a look at the daily charts. Now on the daily charts, see, first it was trading 33,500 to 34,500 zone. Now it has come to the next support levels. It is looking forward to the next support levels at 32,500. If it stays below this, we can expect 32,000 and 31,000 levels there. Now there was a good rise at these levels, and hence it may try to cover up the prices till then, because see, the rise here was kind of a liquidity gap, created a liquidity gap there, so possibly we may see it filling those levels there. Now if you look at the formation there, first thing is, it has breached the first support at 33,500. We have seen multiple candles getting support at those levels. It breached it very strongly, and then it has breached on the downside 32,800, the next support level, which was it was trading. Now I'll be looking forward to 32,500. Also, if you look at the candles here, see, one breakout candle, two consolidation candle, and first candle here after the screener candle with a tail. So possibly there could be a second red candle which might take it till towards these levels, and in fact breach those levels on the downside. So this is on the daily charts. Right now it still appears that there could be little bearishness. Only buy confirmation is if you see it trading above 33,200 levels. Above 33,200 you can expect 33,400, and once it breaks above 33,500 you can consider that it is again going to fall back into this square. So on the upside till 33,500, do not consider that it is a good buy. Only above 33,500 we can expect that we may see further higher highs which we had seen in the recent past. Now we have seen the weekly charts, daily charts. Let's have a look at the monthly candle also. Now see, monthly candle also, you can see higher lows, lower highs were seen since last couple of months. This candle also tried to break on the upside, failing to do so. It is trying to break on the downside. I will see where it closes, because that is going to be important, achieving these levels. And if it retraces and closes above 33,000 levels, that is another important aspect to look at, because see, if it falls back within this consolidation zone, then we cannot say that it is consistently given a break, and hence next 2 days are going to be pretty important. Any closer at around these levels, that is 33,400 or 33,200, will be a good indication that next month could be a reversal also we can see. Else, any drop below 32,500 and closer below these levels certainly will make a confirmation that it has given a breakout on the monthly charts, and there could be a follow-up candle which might take it till towards 31,000 levels also. That is the first part to it. Now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators also on the monthly chart. See, this was the bearish channel it was trying to trade in. It has reversed. Now it is trying to create something of its own. And if you select here 32,000 levels on the charts are going to be next stronger support, and below that 31,000 level. These two levels certainly we should watch out for if it continues to trade bearish in the month of March. So not only we are looking for next week but also for the month of March, because that is going to start. Now let's have a look at the indicators here. See, on the indicators first thing is it was trading outside Bollinger Bands. 33,000 levels is the Bollinger Bands here. Certainly we may see couple of observations here. Yes, the width of the Bollinger Bands will get expanded with the new week, with the new candle. Second, certainly there could be a lot much of resistance on the downside. We can see it recovering also, possibility exists, because it is trading outside and possibly it may get a little more resistance on the downside there. Now look at the charts there. See, so far the 20, 50 and 100 period moving averages were trading with divergence. Now they are all concentrated and now looking forward to converge crossover, and this zone makes it very important, 33,500 to 800, because only above if it trades then we can confirm that it is trading bullish. Right now it is fallen into a bearish zone. Right now it is trying to trade more bearish than bullish here. Directional movement is bearish here. Stochastic is oversold, and which also gives me a probability that Monday, Tuesday we may see it rising a bit and bring Dow Jones to a comfortable levels. Right now it is appearing to be oversold on the stochastic, but don't only rely on stochastic for sure. Now see, the MACD is divergent and bearish, and see it has achieved sub-zero levels again. It is looking down, and I will be definitely watchful, because see, achieving these levels at minus 500 possibly, that is the time if it continues to slide, possibility exists, because see, this is still divergent, this is still bearish, this is still yet to appear the highs here. But at the same time we must see the highs here. See, the height of the candles at this point and this point are almost same, and hence a reversal from here cannot be denied. RSI looking down, indicating little bearishness. And if you look at the weekly chart, now see, on the weekly chart it is trading below the 20 and 100 period moving average, almost at the 150 weeks average there, giving it a support at 32,600 levels. If you look at the directional movement, this is trying to cross over for a buy entry or sell entry. It is right now in the green zone. The stochastic has seen a little drop here. The MACD, interestingly, the MACD is willing to cross over for a sell. And see, this crossover is happening after a rise from the bottom, and if it crosses over, trades with divergence, this will bring little more bearishness for near term. I will be watchful of the next weekly candle. This is going to be an important candle which will decide the direction for its future course. Maybe after that couple of weeks, or maybe the month of March, it may try to trade bearish and then recover, because see, on the upside there is lot much ground to cover, and I will be definitely hoping for it to rise later in next few months. RSI trying to look down, trying to trade bearish here right now. Now let's have a look at the monthly charts. On the monthly chart, support here at 30,000 and below levels, that is the 50 period moving average. Right now it is trading below the 20 period moving average. If you look at the directional movement, this is slightly bearish on the monthly chart. The stochastic, which was overbought, now see, this is one point which is which is trying to, which is indicating that the candle might remain in red, that the stochastic is overbought, and hence it is trying to pull it down and bring stochastic to comfortable levels. Next is look at the MACD. The MACD tried to converge, it tried to stay in green, but now again this candle will make it diverge. It can try to obtain double peak before looking forward to a reversal. Now see how US 30 has traded in last 10-15 years, almost since 2010, that is after the financial crisis. It has never gone on the monthly charts below sub-zero levels. Now this is an opportunity for it to trade bearish, and hence that is one probability. At the same time, if you look at the bottom here, if you look at these bottoms here on the monthly charts, and you can see US 30 has certainly traded bullish so far, achieving the bottom here. Now, definitely it appears that only bullishness is if it crosses over, which requires lot much of effort from US 30 to converge, which requires lot much of bullishness from US 30 to display crossover and trade bullish. Right now, probably it is trying to stay afloat. It is trying to keep this trend. I will be definitely watching over how it closes this month and next monthly candle. Now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to define the trading levels for you such that you can benefit. Now, yes, if you want to learn this art of trading, you should join my mentorship batch. And the 20th batch starts in first week of March, 13th of March. You can reserve your seats now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now, next week is specifically, see, first thing is you can buy at 32,840, but then 32,900 first resistance, rather I will say 32,920 first resistance, and then 33,000 levels. It has to trade above 33,000 for it to confirm little bullishness, then 33,050, and beyond that 33,200. Now I'll look forward to 33,200 as the next milestone, which is going to be the next stronger resistance, and beyond that 33,400 and 500. Now, only and only if it stays above 33,500, you can consider that as bullish. Sky is the limit above 33,500. We can look forward to 33,800 levels if it continues to trade bullish from here. Now, where to sell? Yes, you can sell here at 32,750 levels, below which we can expect 32,600. And if it drops below 32,600, then 32,500 and 32,400. Now see, I am talking in terms of hundreds, 10 20 points here and there do not count, but yes, if you see this zone between 400 to 600, I will be definitely watchful of these levels. If it stays below 32,000 levels, 32,400 levels, certainly we can expect 32,000, 31,500, and then 31,000. And this may happen in quick succession. It may happen in couple of weeks or so if it continues to stay below 32,400 and possibly 32,000 levels. Certainly more bearishness will prevail. It may try to drop strongly there on the downside. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with the stop loss. Trade with the trailing stop loss. Keep the strong trading levels in mind and take your trades accordingly. Also, you can join my mentorship batch and signals group if you want to trade profitably. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.